Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the Oura Ring app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're logged onto the Oura Ring app, but you want to go ahead and sign out. How do you actually go ahead about signing out? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. The first thing that we're going to do is open up the Oura Ring app. Now, from this page here, you want to go and click on the upper left hand corner, the hamburger icon. Next, you want to go ahead and click on settings. Then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and then click on sign out. So what that's going to do is that's going to sign you out of the Oura Ring app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the Oura Ring app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.